Ooh, it's getting dark out there. 'Tis the night before Christmas, and in the Wattchow household, that means a drive in to our local town Trafalgar to look at the Christmas lights people have put up. Except that this year I'm riding in and meeting Katrina and the girls in there. So the bike's set up with all its lights and we're ready to roll. So let's keep our eyes open for wombats and rabbits and owls and anything else that might be about as it gets dark. And reindeer. And unidentified flying sleighs. Darkness is falling upon the earth. Merry Christmas, mate. I need a bit of Christmas spirit to get up this hill. Oh, there we go. Oh, I like that. That's a bit more Christmas spirit.
Santa was in a boat.
Hey,
that's right.
where Santa was in a kayak.
Yeah, no,
Very important little known chapter.
They're probably like that $300. Wow. Love it. So good. See you there.
So very best wishes to you all. I have a little Christmas wish just to be with my family and wish all the best for my friends. And just to ask all those out on the roads, just take it a tiny bit slower around those pedestrians, cyclists, kids out and about over the summer. Just a little bit more care. That can't hurt. That's a nice message even for all of us. Just a tiny bit more care in the world. From all of us will add up to a lot. Merry Christmas, mate.